What's the meaning of Compton Mackenzie? Compton Mackenzie. Compton Mackenzie.
Compton Mackenzie. Compton Mackenzie. Compton Mackenzie was a Scottish writer, cultural critic, and political activist who lived from 1883 to 1972. He is best known for his satirical novels and his work as a founding member of the Scottish National Party. Mackenzie was also a prolific biographer and wrote about many notable figures in history and literature. Overall, his literary contributions and political activism had a significant impact on Scottish culture and society during his lifetime and continue to be recognized today.